welcome guys. So today's topic is operator precedence. So operator precedence is totally based on operators and based on the precedence, right? So now here we can let's have it with an example. So we have taken a grammar, these two, and this is a string. So now let's derive. Let's see how to perform an operator precedence table using this grammar and how to verify that string. So now first let's write what are the terminals present in the given grammar. So if you see, there are open bracket, close bracket, id, plus, minus, supply. These are the terminals present in this grammar. So let's know what are the terminals present in the grammar. So write those terminals, and based on the terminals write the operator precedence table. So this is the way we need to write the table. So you have to write all the terminals here and here. So now we have to perform operator precedence here. So here the main points you need to remember is ID has more precedence when compared to all other terminals, and dollar has least precedence. Sorry, I forgot to write the dollar. So dollar, and you need to write here also. So dollar has the least precedence. So definitely you can write as like this here in this table. I'm trying to tell you in the easiest way as possible. So ID and ID will be having equal precedence, so there is no need to write anything. And ID has the highest precedence when compared to all other operators, right? So now you can write this one. So this is the greater. So this is the greater. This is the lesser symbol. So actually this is the equal to symbol, but we don't write equal to symbol. So in ID and ID is equal. So but we don't write. We leave it empty. And when compared to this, ID is the highest. So we'll write in this way. And when compared to dollar, dollar is the least precedence compared to any operators. So and here if you see, dollar is the least precedence. So you can write this one. Here you will get accept, and this is the same way for all the problems, because it's the highest precedence and this is the lowest precedence, right? Now let's see which one has the highest and most precedence and how to write it. Yeah, let's see. When compared to this, ID has the highest precedence, right? So now here also you can write this as this, greater. Yeah, let's know this. Open bracket and open bracket. When you compare open bracket and open bracket, we can say both are equal. But if you see, if you have an equation like this, 3 plus 2 and close, and like this 4 plus 4. First, if you compare this open bracket has the highest precedence, right? So this open bracket will be having highest precedence. And now when compared to open and close, definitely open bracket will be having highest precedence. Open and plus open bracket will be having highest precedence. And open and minus this and this and this and this. This is because when you are going with the equation consisting brackets, definitely only after open bracket you can perform these operations. First you will enter here, then only you can perform operations. That is why the reason open bracket has highest precedence when compared to all other operators. So now let's go with the close bracket. Close bracket and open bracket. Here the main thing is, so here if you go with this equation, the close bracket and open bracket, first after closing of this only you will go to this, right? So for that sequence, this close bracket will be having highest precedence, and close bracket, first this close bracket, so close bracket will be having highest precedence. Now close bracket and plus, if you see that close bracket only will be higher, so after close bracket you are going with the other one. So if you see this close bracket and minus, same, these are the just simple operations to be performed. And this close bracket, when you compare this, only after closing this you will go with the other operations if there are anything ahead, right? Now let's go with these operations. So plus and open bracket. So open bracket will be the highest precedence, as only after opening the bracket you will go to the operations in the open bracket. This means this, and after plus only you will close the bracket. So this is the operation for this. And same, plus and plus, if you see, this plus will be having highest precedence. Plus and minus, of course plus, Plus and multiplication, multiplication plus and division is division. Plus and floor is power only. So this is the way this example is enough to solve any other problems, because this contains all operations, like all terminals are present in this example. So if you look at this example, you will get everything. Like even if you take another example having only this operators, so I hope in examinations or anything you will be getting questions very small, not all these operations, like only id, open bracket, plus minus, only maybe till here or maybe till here, like that. Don't get confused, it's an easy one. So when it compares to minus and open bracket, you will get this. Is it right? Right. Minus and plus is open bracket, and minus and close is minus. So minus and plus is the most precedence for compared to minus and plus is minus, as because if minus comes first we'll do it, and minus is this, minus and star is this and this and this. In compiler design, unary operator, this is called unary operator, has more precedence than compiler design. So we are going with minus plus, with minus has more precedence. Hope you understand. And again, star and open bracket, this open bracket has more precedence, and this star has more precedence, and star plus star has more precedence than any other, but this one. So this is the one you need to write. And now let's go with the division. So division and open bracket this. So division only has less precedence when compared to this power. So this is the one. And now power has, of course, it has the highest precedence out of all. But when it come to open bracket has highest precedence. And this is the way. And finally we'll write accept, and I wrote it before just to make you understand. So this is the table, operator precedence table, and how we write. And there are every terminal here, and you can see the precedence if you get confused. So please don't get confused. Just when compared to an equation, you'll come in from left side, right? So in that way we need to write. I think hope you understood. If not, please comment down. I'll try to clarify it. And thank you so much for watching the video. So glad even if at least one people got helpful by this video. So thank you so much.